Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today you're going to take a look at a wheeled Cox hose reel for our water fed system. We have a quick disconnect on here, saves us a lot of time. Disconnect here, put it back into the system. We found that the wheeled hose reel works out really well. We have 300 feet of hose onto this system, so carrying it's a 75-pound hose reel. It gets to be a lot if you're carrying it, too far away from the trailer, and it just makes it that much easier. Just being with the wheels, kick it back and roll it to wherever we're going to. Winding this up is pretty easy. First we'll put as much hose straight out in front of that hose reel that we can, and just makes it unkink easier so we don't have any knots or any tangle ups on the hose. But wheeling this thing up, this is 300 feet that was fully out, and you'll see with this video it's probably going to take us 30 seconds to a minute of winding to reach the end of the hose. 300 feet of hose wraps up that fast. You don't have to try to coil it up or put it into a bucket or whatever means. So if you're using a water fed system that doesn't have any type of attached hose reel, this is a good system. Here's the end of the hose. Take a look. Wheeled hose reel. Nice system. Sat here. Window Warriors Forum.